Kanti kuyenzeka kukhalela igwinya uNkulunkulu kubekela ibheka.
My name, welcome back to another one. My name is Guy047. Make sure that you follow the channel. The couples, it's not couples switching phones. We are not. We are yet. We know. Maybe you will see. Let's check it. You can see the vibe. It's not the one. Why ain't I wouldn't call in the way? Good thing. Jolo is a scam for real. Jolo is a scam. No one thought about this. I told them so. Why didn't be in the public? I think the aim was to hit here. For real. You can like move so fast, yeah, man. Now, man. That was fast. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe. You know. Okay, let's check the trolls. You know the trolls. Ha. Anyway, yani. Ingating dalim nini. Seems like dalim nini, like. Okay, I'm going to be Kita John Cena. I walk, come on. I think it's real. But yeah.
Kanti kuyenzeka kukhalela igwinya uNkulunkulu kubekela ibheka.
So what did igwinya lelong? What did igwinya? Hayibo.
Kuyenzeka ukuthi
mantombazana guys.
Kanti uNkulunkulu ubekele ini ibheka.
Damn.
Ihambe igwinya ifike ibheka.
I want to go on the peg. What about the queen? What if you want to buy the guys? But guess what? Come on, let's make sure that you subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure. But the song is good. For that. When I play capilla, but the song still remains. See me pressure. Yeah, it gave me pressure. Damn, you guys. Have fun. Always.